Just seeing the experience that was offered and everything that I had read about it, I thought this is something that I would like to participate in and really just experience what driving with a racing driver experience. I think the camaraderie is really something special. I mean, I didn't expect it. I thought maybe this is going to be a little bit too, too frou-frou for me, but it turned out to be really down to earth, and it was just all about the cars and all about the experience. Driving behind you was the favorite part. Seriously.
Now you're
just seeing where you braked, how you did things. It just gave me extra confidence. I felt like my car is capable of doing it. Just seeing you there in front of me and just that confidence that inspired in me. A wide variety of people would enjoy this. I mean, not only do you get, great driving experience, you've got great scenery, we stay in great places, we've got great camaraderie. I think, almost everybody in all walks of life, anybody who enjoys cars, anybody who wants to drive, anybody who wants to improve their skills. I think driving on the roads is different than driving on a circuit. To me, it would appeal to almost anybody who enjoys cars, who enjoys driving, and who likes being out in the mountains out.